How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to show you how to create desktop shortcuts on your computer. This is for Windows 11. So let's get started. Right now I don't have much going on here. I have a lot of empty space, so I'm going to start filling it up with some icons by creating these shortcuts. So I'll show you how to do that. So go to Start menu, click there, and then you're going to see some apps here. We'll go to All. Click on All. And then here, you're going to have a big menu of all your installed apps or programs, whatever you want to call them. And here, for example, I use Calculator. I'm going to just drag that over. And it creates a link or a shortcut. Just like that. And you let it go, and it just stays on the desktop. We're going to go back to the Start menu, click on All, and let's do another one. Let's do Firefox. Okay, one more. Let's do File Explorer. Okay, and then just arrange them however you like. And you can have as many as you want. You can have them on either left or right side or up on top, however you want to design it. Just like that. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create desktop shortcuts. That's the easiest way to do it. There are a few other ways, but I would recommend you do it this way. And you could do it with apps or folders. All the ones that appear here. Let's do one more. Notepad. Just drag it over. Just organize it. And that's it. Very simple. Let me know if you have any questions and comment them below. I'll be more than glad to answer them. If you have any related issues or something else in mind, let me know and I'll create a video for you to follow. If you're still watching, I really appreciate you. Have a great day now.